I'm just going to grab this. Also put, also do some alignment. Oops. Okay.
You need a TD closing tag right after your card instead of a TR.
Yeah, let's see it. Good catch. TD. Yep. And another one there. And
now that style will text align the center, but how do you center the image?
TD. Recurved. So let's see how that looks. Oops, forgot the table. I mean table. Okay. It doesn't look well. Let's get the maybe the 10 up. The price of it. Okay, so that is over here. What we're going to do is just do to take this line items. Doing some rearranging. We have to make this look nice. It's going to go on our installer, right?
That's right.
Okay, so TD, let's do a TD, and then we'll grab this stuff as well. And I meant to put that here, not in the TR. How's that looking? Okay.
Good. And then we just have to make sure we add a vertical alignment. Or it does that by default.
Sure. Hey, let's make this left aligned because it's just too far away from the product itself. We could make this right aligned too. Better, right?
Nice.
Okay. So if we add some more things to the card, that'll just keep growing down there. So now we can add stuff to the card. We need to. Well, it doesn't contain an image, so let's fix that. Now I'm going to take this whole line out here and just create a variable here called the image. I'm going to stick the image in text in a text variable, and then I'm just going to check if it's there. Does not equal nothing.
Actually, you got to check and see if the file is there.
Yeah,
because it all has
that's right.
referred to by the SKU number .jpg.
Right. So how do we do that?
We have to introduce another new tag.
Yes, we do.
File exists tag.
File info.
Yeah. File info tag.
Equals, and this is in P_images, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, P_images, and then I'll first type this out, and then we'll go in. And I'll show you in the docs what this does exactly. Okay, so this long, or not so long, line here, and I'll need to check my syntax too. It's been a while since I used this tag, so basically what we're trying to do is we have the image name, the image text, the file name, and we want to check in the directory to see if it's actually there.
In fact, you gotta add the .jpg, I think.
Nope.
No, that's in there.
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
let's check the docs just to make sure I have, or we could just wing it and see if it works.
I'd say just wing it.
Okay.
Because we know the .jpg image worked. Now there should just be a, oh look.
So there's something wrong there. So
none of them exist.
okay, so
Oh, you have to do text show equals F when you set that variable. It's not just putting something in front of it.
yeah, this is supposed to.
Oh, there's no.
Oh, there's no image there. That's one thing. We definitely need that.
Oh yeah, we have to put the image there. There we go.
That's one thing we need.
That's probably it.
Well, let's see if that does it. Voila.
There we go.
But you know, so I was doing a refresh, and since I was refreshing, I added a bunch of the
Sure,
the
that's
items
because we have in the URL, we have a quick add button. We use the URL in order to add the item, which means that if you reload the page, it reloads the URL you last used, which had the add item command. So every time we refreshed, we got more stuff, which is a great feature if you're trying to sell more stuff.
or upset somebody. I was going to use different terms, but this is a video, so we can avoid that too if we want to. So this is the add to cart light on the thing right here. So what we can do is we can do a redirect here. And we'll just go to the index.dna page. And we can also grab any variables that are being passed if we want to. CTR. One quick way to do this is with form variables. Since this is a great opportunity to see how to express how nice it is that we've used the convention of the CTR underscore.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because except for we don't want to recreate this action here. So what I'm going to do quickly is create a different convention for actions, and that might be just a underscore action or something like that.
Think of it as separating all of our page variables into two batches, one that we want to remember and one that we want to forget. And the one we want to forget is the command to add item to the cart. So all we're going to do is redirect here to reload the page and all of its variables and just filter out that add item variable so that the user can do a refresh without adding items then.
Right, so here's where I did the add to the cart. Set the A action, so I'm changing that.
That's from the detail page? Or
This is from the results page.
You also should do it
on the detail page.